Hi, this is Adam from AdzProductions, and this is the review of the Yeti by Blue Microphones. The front of the microphone features the Blue logo itself, a mute button, and a volume dial. As you can see, this microphone is in fact a THX certified one. As part of the design, the microphone has a cool looking stand that's built into it. This allows for easy alteration of the microphone for the best sound possible. On the bottom of the microphone, there are three key things to point out. The first is a USB connection, secondly the headphone jack, and finally there is a place to screw in a pop filter or some other accessory. Some key specs of this microphone are that it requires a 5V or 150 mA power. The sample rate is 48 kHz, the bit rate is 16 bit, it has three Blue-proprietary 14mm condenser capsules. The polar patterns include Cardioid, Bidirectional, Omnidirectional and stereo. The frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The sensitivity is 4.5 mV by PA or 1 kHz. The max SPL is 120 decibels. The headphone amplifier specs are that it has a 16 ohms impedance. The power output is 130 milliwatts. The THD is 0.009%. The frequency response is 15 Hz to 22 Hz. The signal to noise is 100 decibels. The dimensions of the overall unit itself is its 4.72 inches or 12 centimeters by 4.92 inches or 12.5 centimeters by 11.61 inches or 29.5 centimeters. The weight of the microphone is 1.2 pounds or 0.55 kilograms. The weight of the stand is 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram. The system requirements for this microphone: your PC must have Windows 7 or Windows Vista or Windows XP or Windows XP Professional. Your PC must also have a minimum of a USB 1.1 and 64 megs of RAM. The same thing applies to Mac, except you need Mac OS X 10.4.11 or higher. Okay, I'm now going to compare just quickly two microphones that I have. At the moment I'm using the Blue Yeti, of course. I've been using this the whole time. So that's the quality of the Yeti. Now I'm going to change over to the quality of a standard PC headset. And now I've changed over to the normal PC headset, so that's the sound difference, just to give you a kind of rough idea. I am now going to go over the positives and negatives of the microphone. The first positive is that the stand is actually built into it, meaning that you're able to get great sound from it wherever you put it. The second positive is that the microphone actually produces great sound quality. I've been using this microphone throughout this whole review, and I think it sounds perfect. However, as normal, there is one negative. That is basically the only thing that comes to mind, is that it may be too big of a microphone to fit on the average user's desk, and it may get in the way. Thanks for watching the review of the Yeti by Blue Microphones.